Grinding mastics can be toxic, messy, expensive, and is often illegal. Acids and soy gels leave an oily residue that smells bad and prevents new paints, epoxies, or cements from bonding to the floor. Used by professionals for over 20 years, PerfectPrimer is the safe, non-toxic alternative that seals mastics without disturbing them. It can be applied over carpet glue, tile adhesives, asbestos black mastic, and floors that have been stripped with acid or soy gels. Begin by removing debris such as flaking paint or broken tiles. If cement patching is needed, first apply PerfectPrimer to those areas. Structural or water issues should first be addressed by a professional. Wash the floor with our PerfectCleaner pretreatment using a mop or stiff brush. Then rinse well. Once the floor is visibly dry, apply an even coat of PerfectPrimer using a brush or 3/8 inch standard paint roller. PerfectPrimer comes in gray, but it can be colored using any liquid paint tint. Over mastic, cement, or wood, apply 1 coat of PerfectPrimer. Over linoleum, tile, or other smooth surfaces, apply 2 thin coats 12 hours apart. After 24 hours, apply your choice of paint, epoxy, or decorative cement. For more information, visit PerfectPrimer.com.